Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Then tap on Connected Devices and select Pair New Device. Now just wait for available ones to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Now hit pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, tap on this gear next to the device and tap on Forget next to Connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to connect to the same one again, just click on Pair New Device, click on it, and select Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!